Welcome to North Tees and Hartlepool Voices, telling the stories of our people and community in our trust.
You're listening to Radio Stage 7, the patient, staff and visitors of the university hospitals in the North East. Today we have Ruth Dalton and Susy Cook. Good morning.
Good morning, Elliot.
Good morning.
What are these events and financial health and well-being, and how do they come about?
So the events are really exciting events with help of Ruth, our communications and engagement lead. They came about because when we started to really understand what people meant by health and well-being, we decided to run a survey with the support of Ruth and her team to understand what people really wanted to help them around health and well-being. So we ran a reward and recognition survey to understand, in the guise of reward and recognition, what people wanted to know more about, where they wanted help, what would really help them in their work and daily living. And one of the things that came out was support around financial health and well-being, and therefore that was the start of these events.
Why should staff attend, and what can they expect to experience?
OK, so Elliot, this is the second year we've run these events, so hopefully staff will remember their success last year. So we work with a number of internal departments as well as lots of external partners as well. So we've got people from the welfare team at Stockton Borough Council, Hartlepool carers who can support families who need support there. We've got commercial enterprises coming in, Quick Fit on site on the day, offering free winter checks for our staff, so make sure you register for that. It's a real host of different organisations and departments that can offer different levels of support, advice and guidance.
And what type of organisations will be there?
So, as I say, we've got Stockton Borough Council Health and Welfare, we've got education teams, we've got the ARC in Stockton. So if staff already don't know this, we get a 10% discount on all of their gig tickets. We work really closely with those guys. We've got some health and beauty people coming along. We have food banks coming along in respect of can we work to support those guys as well. We know we work really actively with those guys. Lots of different organisations. Internally, we've got our smoking cessation team coming along, who I am assured are bringing along some really exciting new vapes for people to look at. So lots of different ways that people can look at different aspects of their life to address any kind of financial health and wellbeing imbalances, really.
Are these events part of a wider ambition for health and wellbeing for the Trust?
They absolutely are. So we've done a full review of our health and wellbeing offer for the organisation and really focused on what can we do to provide a service that helps people on a number of levels. So we've reviewed our occupational health team. We've got Helen Waller now, who is a big plug for Helen, our health and wellbeing care coordinator, who's out there on a regular basis linking with our staff and supporting. We've got the Health and Wellbeing magazine that Ruth here supports us with, that promotes and shares ideas and information around health and wellbeing. We've got our occupational health team who are fantastic, that support our staff out there around all things health. We've also got, remember for everybody, the flu vaccination. Please get your flu jabs and the COVID vaccination, because it's really important not only to protect yourselves but to protect our patients. So yes, whilst the Festival of Financial Health and Wellbeing is really important in terms of finance support, we do have a bigger ambition for health and wellbeing, and we will continue to review our health and wellbeing offer.
Now, what are the dates for these events?
They are happening on the 29th and 30th of November, Hartlepool and Stockton respectively.
And what times are they all day?
They are running from 11:30 until 1 o'clock. So we worked with colleagues last year. These were the best times for people to drop in and out as they're grabbing sandwiches or having their lunch, and happy to sort of feedback from staff after that as well.
And it's an open door.
Open door. So at North Tees, it will be in the back of the restaurant, literally in the back of the restaurant, not the Tees meeting room on the outside, and Hartlepool in the main foyer there. So you won't be able to miss us.
Ruth, Susy, thank you.
Thank you, Elliot.
Thank you for joining us. Till next time, you've been listening to NTH Voices.